Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to find a seller on Facebook Marketplace. So now the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or any web browser. After that you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account, or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. And now after you go to the marketplace, all you need to do is go to the searching tab and search for the seller that you want, and it will give you all the results of the seller. So basically let's try with this person. I will just copy his name and then I'm going just to paste it as an example, and here as you can see it will show me the same exact listing, and I'm going to find the person or the seller that I have just copy and paste, and by that you will be able to find any other sellers. So let's just do this with other people and try it again, and I'm going for this one, and as you can see if I go to any listing I will find it will show me the listing of the same person or the same seller. And by this method you will find all the seller that you want. All you need to do is to search them here in the searching bar and it will show up to you. So basically this is how you can find the seller on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching and see you next time.